The Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government on Monday launched a portal for both job seekers and organizations looking to hire, in a bid to restart the economic activity in the national capital. Even as cases across the country continue to rise, Delhi is seeing a constant reduction in the number of people testing positive. We now need to go to the next stage. During the lockdown, a lot of businesses have been impacted and people lost their jobs. We all need to work on fixing the economic health of Delhi. As the lockdown was imposed, we saw migrant laborers leaving Delhi in large numbers. Some people have started coming back. I appeal to the rest to come back, Kejriwal said while addressing a digital press conference on Monday. The Chief Minister pointed out that the recovery rate in Delhi had gone up to 88% and the positivity ratio had dropped from around 35% in June to 5% currently. Job cuts in informal sector, loss of income, fears of contagion and nationwide lockdown to curb the spread of coronavirus had triggered a massive interstate migration in Delhi and other metro cities. Following the resumption of the economic activity, businesses are facing difficulty in hiring and people are struggling to find jobs, Kejriwal said. Kejriwal said a special order was being issued to allow the street vendors to resume work. To bridge the gap, we are launching a portal today for those looking for jobs or looking to employ people. This will be an employment market, he added. There will be no limit on the number of jobs a candidate can apply for. This will be for job seekers and companies. Even though there are private websites, this is a free service by the government to remove middlemen. You can reach out directly. I appeal to businessmen and industry officials to register on this portal. There will be laborers who won't know how to access this website. I appeal the people of Delhi to help them out, Gopal Rai, Cabinet Minister said. Delhi's COVID tally, which was one of highest in the country, has declined significantly. Delhi has reported a total of 1,30,606 COVID-19 cases till date, of which 1,14,875 have recovered or have been discharged from the hospitals. The coronavirus death toll in the national capital stands at 3,827 while the number of active cases continues to drop and is reported to be at 11,904 at present.